So our RLBX just hit a 48-hour spike. So so 48-hour spike. Buy RBLX this week. Is that the 21st? 73 calls for 310. Stop loss 150. Targets will be 460 and 6. So RBLX, guys, we see some calls as a 48 hour spike. So 248-hour spikes. Exxon was a loser so far. I think this market's holding up pretty well so far. TPGY, there's $1 million offered at 55. So you don't have to buy TPGY until that offer size starts to go down. I thought I saw the offer size go down, so I got into those. But we'll see what happens. IP 3040. Roblox, here she goes, just walking down the street. Roblox moving higher. 73s. Bitcoin 35,000. Google down. I actually put money in a pen. DraftKings. You got it at nice. I wish I had 50. They sold you some at 50? That's great. I love that. You got him at 45? Come on. Am I supposed to believe that? I'm keeping WY on my radar too. Just seeing there might be an opportunity for WY. GameStop down 12. Oh, now they're at 50, guys. You get them right now at 50. You get them right here, right now at 50. There's two of them offered at 50. So if you go to buy 20, they're not going to be there. There's 4 offered at 50, guys. You get 4 a lot right now at 50. You get 4 of them at 50 cents. You get 4 of them at 50 cents. There's 4 offered at 50. They're 45.55 right now. Futures on 60. Wow. They're at 50 now, guys. Holly Frontier at 30. Holly Frontier, you can get at 30, guys. You can get it 5 cents cheaper in Holly Frontier. Holly Frontier, you can get in cheaper, guys. Holly Frontier, you can get 30. 2.5 weeks on those. Oil on $3. I keep getting offered structured notes and all the oil names. I was like, no. Airlines, no. Banks, no. RBLX, guys, alongside. How high could it get? Let's go look at that. RBLX. The low of the day plus the ATR. So RBLX, the low of the day is... Wow. RBLX doesn't have that much room to the upside unless it just rips. So Roblox doesn't have that much room to the upside unless it just absolutely rips here. Party City getting destroyed. Those July 12s doubled in value. Now they're down to 25 cents. TPGY 45.50, 92 offered at 50. So I wish I didn't call the signal 55 now, but I did. But I have to stick by it. X and Steel are going to move the same direction, guys. So X at 27 will hedge your Rio puts. Rio puts are 270. Party City. Party City. The party's over in Party City, I think. I think the party's over in Party City. It's on 20% in 3 days. Not as bad as Bitcoin is, though. BTU, I'd just kind of be holding right now. TPGY. 45.50. 5,000 trade total. And this, look at this chart, guys. Okay, so you're going to get a whole month here in TPGY. Okay, the stock used to be $35. Who cares where the stock is? It matters where's it going, right? Today is a short-term possible bottom reversal day. So this is a possible short-term bottom reversal day. Possible short-term bottom reversal day here in TPGY. Possible short-term bottom reversal day. Okay. If it just tests the gap up to 1350, these triple in value. I'm not saying it's going to go to 34, but on a reward to risk basis, you know, sometimes you got to take trades and say, you know, I like this signal. It didn't work out. I lost money. I'm moving on to the next trade. SSRM. Ooh, June 20s. Silver mining. I would take these guys. If I was in Project 303, this would be an official signal. SSRM, June 20 calls, guys, at 50 cents. I can sell some May puts here. Oh, I can only get 15 cents for the May puts. I would sell May puts for 15. Let's try to sell 20 of these. Let's try to make $300 between now and the end of the week. All right. I just sold some SSRM puts for 15 cents. So I used that signal to sell puts naked. So as long as SSRM stays above, so as SSRM stays above 18, I'll make $300 in 2.5 days. Good job, AK. June 20 calls at 50. We'll see where these go. Futures on the lows. Exxon on the lows. Fang actually holding up here. Ride higher. I mean, it's not that bad. Halliburton, bloodbath. Schlumberger, bloodbath. Exxon, Chevron, bloodbath. Chevron, down 4%. SSRM, guys, is another one of those ETF names. I mean, one of those commodity names. Let's hit at 50. Stock's breaking out to the upside. I wouldn't be surprised if those are mentioned on CNBC 3 hours later. Today is a losing day. Losing. I'm losing on days like today. $40.29 is the recent lows. I try. I'm working on my empathy. So here is the futures. 40.29, guys. That low that they're going to try to target. I wouldn't be surprised if we test under that low, then reverse off that lows. 40.29 was the low from last week. If you're not in TPGY, I think you're crazy. 50 cents. And you're a little bit scared of the market? Maybe trade half the size you're normally used to trading. It's okay to trade half the size. Trade a quarter the size. It's fine. You can always trade smaller, guys. You don't have to always trade so big. If we're in a volatile market and the market looks like it's going down, trade smaller. It's fine. Cool. Trade smaller. I don't actually see it. TPGY, it's June 12 and a half. There's a 12 lot offered at 50. There's 12 offered at 50. 12 offered at 50 cents right now. Right here, right now. They're gone. Now they're 50-50 back. I think we're gonna maybe we're gonna today we might be like kicking ourselves at the end of the day and be like, didn't get enough stuff. So today's like today. You might be like, oh God, you know what? Didn't buy enough today. Duke, we got out at 30. We're going to revisit Duke at 15. We're going to revisit it at 15. 15. You cannot say no to that. Workhorse unchanged. Roblox. Oh, Roblox. Zero blocks. Zero blocks. Bid. If you guys got into Roblox, great trading. The Roblox bid. Targets at 450 and 6. The Roblox bid. Look at the stock go. Keep that in the back of your head, guys. 48-hour spike scanner. If Roblox hits, you want to be taking that, right? You saw them hit at 310. These are the 73s. Second day it's hit. Second day it's made money. So you be like, hey, some guy's really good trading Roblox. He always knows when the stock's going to rally. Pure coincidence? I don't know. SSRM, they're buying more of these, guys. SSRM, they're buying more of these. June 20 calls. Now they're paying 55. SSRM guys are paying 55 now. Look at the stock go. Barely at 60. These hit option actor guys at 50. You can get them at 55 right now. I like them at 55, guys. If you can get them at 55, I like them at 55. These are SSRM, June 18, 2021. 20 calls at 55 cents, guys. They're gone. And remember, I sold some cash secured puts. So I sold the 18 puts that expire in 2 days. As long as this stock does not sell off more than 60 cents, I'm going to make $300. Good job, AK. SSRM, they're aggressively getting these. They're up to 15,000 SSRM calls, guys. 15,000 SSRM calls. BBIG, what is this? Vinco Ventures. Oh, it's old Vinco Ventures. BTU coming back a little bit. Ride, unbelievable. Roblox. Just keep it in your head, guys. Someone really knows how to trade those weeklies in Roblox. Someone's really good at trading those weeklies in Roblox. Just for fun. Let's just see if I can get some for 20. Let's bit up the straddle. Such a knock. I'm not your Luxa. BBIG trading here. 11 minutes ago, guys. Duke at 15. I like them. Duke at 15. I like them. So if they go at 15, I do have a 15 resting bid in here. I do like Duke. Even at 20. 20 is fine. They hit at 60 cents. I'm going to get a whole month with a nice ATR. VIPs hitting the tape. I'd only do spreads in these, guys. VIPS, I'd only do spreads in these. So VIPS, I'd only do spreads in these. So VIPS, these are the June 18th, 24. When the chart's this bad, I only do spreads, and especially because they're dollar options. Maybe you buy the 24-25 call spread for 30 cents, but I wouldn't be buying these calls outright. So VIPs, I'd only be looking to do spreads. Exxon lower, Cliff lower, TPGY lower. Ooh, they're at 50 still. 50, I like them. 50, I like them, guys. 47 offered at 50. 47 offered at 50. I see a lineup of the day. Bitcoin coming back. Fierce. Can't keep a good Bitcoin down. 37,000. I don't know why this says 30. I don't know. Sell it all for tax purposes? Futures coming back. US Steel calls at 27. Don't look so bad right now. We're up to 29. 29. 29.30. Eight minutes ago, guys. Roblox. 0 blocks. MGM down. Duke 20 cents. So Duke this morning, I saw the stock was down, I saw the market was down, and I saw there was a 30 bid. I don't know whose bid that was, but he said, hey, might as well take advantage of it, sell it, then we can maybe reposition ourselves. So when I saw that 30 bid, I was like, damn. Let's get in. Futures has rallied 13 points from the lows. 13 points from the lows. SLQT coming back. SSRM, unreal. 55.60, barely at 60. It is a FIFO system, that's right. So first in, first out. So if you guys put your orders in first, you're gonna make money. So you gotta be a little quick on these. BTU day trade, I'd be looking to get out of those guys. BTU, I'd probably look to just take them off to break even. Did Bitcoin get under 30,000? I think the futures might be different than the spot. Yeah, I think the futures are trade like a $400 difference. PDD act calls. I haven't seen any covered calls today, which kind of upsets me. I haven't seen any covered calls. We had a lot yesterday. No super options. Would you guys rather want to rally or would you rather want to sell off? Would you rather want to rally or sell off? Roblox moving up. Out at BTU, 33% profit. Nothing wrong with that. 33% profit. 31,681. I thought I got under 30,000 though. I'm watching CoinMarketCap on one screen versus the futures, and it looks like CoinMarketCap has it like $600 lower. I don't know why. IVR trading here. Nothing to do in that one. June is a long time away. Why do I have... oh, I can cancel. I don't know why it says I don't have margin left. I have 11 grand left. I don't know why that says that. Oh, this is why. Because I'm short puts in SSRM, that's why. I'm short puts in SSRM, that's why. It's taking all my margin for the week. SSRM puts, guys, I mean calls on fire here. Those are 60 bid now. Option actor flag, those at 50, guys. So option actor flag, those at 50. 7,000 being bought at 50 cents. 7,000 hit the tape at 50 cents. 4 minutes to go. Rio, take off half. Rio, take off half. And what I like here, guys, a lot, this is actually really cool and interesting. I would be buying June calls, June 4th, 29.5 calls in X against my Rio puts. So we could have got those at about 27. They're up to about 31. I wouldn't pay 32. But one of two things. You sell all your Rio puts or you buy X calls against your Rio puts. So you sell all your Rio puts or you buy US Steel calls against your Rio puts. And I like buying the X calls against the Rio puts more. Okay, that's a good way to hedge it. So you would have got out of half of these. And then what I would look to do is I would then buy X calls against my Rio puts. So the June 4th, 29.5s. It's just too hard to get, right now in my opinion, it's too hard to just get long the market or get short the market, right? It's too hard. So you gotta maybe be some long something here, short something there. That's how the whole GameStop implosion happened. It wasn't that they were just short GameStop, like they were short GameStop versus long Macy's. And then they exploited that, right? So I think, being long X and I would say 27, 26. I don't know the low of the day today. June 4th, 29.5s. 27, 26. More TPGY guys. Now they're trading more of them. They just bought more of them at 50, guys. If you're not in this trade, I like this trade. This is my favorite trade of the day. Actually, IP might be my favorite, but 50 cents here, guys. 50 cents, my favorite trade of the day. When you can, not when you have to. And you can't look at, like, I used to have days on the trading floor where if I looked at my P&L and I was down 20,000, 30,000, 50,000, I can't. AK, you can't look at your P&L. You've got to trade for today. There was one day when Yahoo and Microsoft was going to buy Yahoo. I came in, I was down like 32,000 or 28,000. And I said to myself, AK, it doesn't matter what you're down right now. You trade your butt off and you get this money back. I made I think I was down like 38,000 coming in. Microsoft making a bid for Yahoo. I was on $38,000. I made 42,000 day trading, and I ended up $4 grand. If I came in, I was down 38,000, and I just said, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I don't know how to trade. This is the worst thing in the world. I'm just gonna leave. Like, we used to have a trader that literally couldn't stomach losses. He'd walk off the trading floor. If he was down $3 grand, $5 grand in a day, he would just leave. I was the opposite. When you throw me down, I'm going to say, I'm going to get back. But they always say it doesn't matter how many times you've been thrown down, it's how many times you can get up, right? So, if you guys are losing money on days like today, that's going to happen. It's part of trading, right? But stick with the plan, stick with the system. I was going to give you BTU calls at 45. I should have. They're down 60 cents. The June 8s. Holly Frontier is starting to move up a little bit. So now you can still get them at 30, guys. 30 cents here in Holly Frontier. I'm trying to figure out what I want to send up for Project 303 official signal. I have 3 choices here. Oh, Roblox. I have a target of 450. So I'm up 140 on that signal. 140 bucks. Buys a nice little steak dinner. Buys me a nice little steak dinner. Duke, I would love at 15 cents. Please go at 15 cents. All right, guys, that's it. I have to go to Project 303. Everybody have a great day. Thank you, and I'll see everybody tomorrow. I saw that too, yeah.